Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can archive a chat or conversation on Qwen AI, so let us guide you through this. Log into your account on Qwen AI Studio, navigate to your chat here on the left hand side in the chat history, click into these three dots here and choose archive. That's one way how you can do this. Option number two, you navigate to your user account on the bottom left, click into settings, then click into chats, and then you will see this option, archive all chats. Click into this button to archive all of your chat history at once. What if you'd like to unarchive the given chat? Well, in this case, guys, click into your user icon in the bottom left again, select archive chats, go through that list and either choose unarchive all or go through that list and unarchive the given chat to move it back to its previous position. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.